Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is apple, a simple yet iconic noun that refers to a round fruit with red, green, or yellow skin. Whether you're a fan of this crisp and juicy fruit or just curious about how to use the word in English, you're in the right place. Let's start with the basics. An apple is a fruit that grows on apple trees and is enjoyed all around the world. It's versatile, healthy, and a favorite snack for people of all ages. The word apple is used in both literal and figurative ways in everyday English. For example, you might say, I ate an apple for breakfast, or use it figuratively as in, she's the apple of his eye, meaning she is cherished or loved. If you're looking for similar words or synonyms for apple, there are not many exact matches, but you could refer to specific varieties like fruit or produce in a broader sense. For instance, the market had a fresh selection of fruit, including apples and oranges. On the other hand, antonyms for apple might be something unrelated to fruit, like vegetable. An example could be, for dinner, I'll skip the apple and have a vegetable salad instead. You'll find apple in many common expressions and idioms. Think of phrases like, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, which emphasizes the health benefits of eating apples, or the apple doesn't fall far from the tree, referring to family resemblances or traits. Here are a few more usage examples. The apple pie at that bakery is amazing. He polished the apple until it shone. The green apple was tart and refreshing. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the word apple. It's amazing how one word can hold so much meaning and variety. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and it means so much to me. Before we go, I'd love to hear from you. Can you come up with your own sentence using the word apple? Share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, this is Alex signing off from Hello Word. Take care and keep learning.